Sometimes customers come in knowing that they have a square footage requirement. So if you're looking for a smaller home, we have several under 1,200 square feet that might fit your needs. Hi, my name is Melissa Clemens, and I'm the sales manager at the Calhoun office of America's Home Place. Under 1,200 square feet, we have plans called the Union, the American, the Penney, and the Cherokee modern farmhouse. We have a couple different versions of the Cherokee. One of them is the modern farmhouse, which has a really cute front porch. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It also has a full living, dining, and kitchen all in one great room. We also offer a version that has more of a traditional cabin look without the gabled roofline. The American has a little over 1,000 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a laundry area built into the kitchen. The American has a sizable master bedroom, and it also has an open living and dining area with an optional garage you can add. The Penney is another 3-bedroom, 2-bath that falls under our 1,200 square foot range, just over 1,100 square feet. It also offers a separate laundry area as well as an island kitchen. And once again, a great room that joins into the kitchen. The Penney also offers a covered front porch with area for rocking chairs or a porch swing. And it is also available with a garage option. The Union is one of our mountainous floor plans that has a great window wall for those views in the mountains. It has a wraparound covered porch and is 1,150 or so square feet. It offers a vaulted living room where the dining and kitchen open up into the great room. It has a good-sized master bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and a separate laundry area. Even though these are smaller square footage homes, the way they're laid out gives you plenty of space in all of your areas. If there's not room to do a built-in pantry, a lot of times we can add pantry cabinets to give you more storage for what you need in those spaces. When you're talking about a smaller square footage home, a lot of times people are looking to add guest houses or in-law cottages to their property, and these smaller homes work well for that. Customers come in with restrictions on square footage, but they don't really know how to accomplish what they're looking for. As a sales manager here at America's Home Place, it's my job to help them figure out the best layout to take advantage of the square footage that they have. If you'd like to learn more about our building process, check out some of our other videos and make sure that you like and subscribe.